The map of the modern world had not yet been drawn. Humanity was not even a dream. The mountains had not taken their present form, and the poles were not yet covered in ice. The world was quiet, warm, and humid. In this environment, one of the most fascinating creatures of that era found its home deep within the forests. Juxia is an extinct large herbivorous mammal that lived during the late Eocene epoch, approximately 40 to 37 million years ago. Its fossils were discovered in the Shara Murin region of Inner Mongolia, China. The genus name Juxia is of Chinese origin, while the species name Shara murinensis was formed by adding the Latin locative suffix ensis to the Shara Murin River. Literally, the name can be translated as the Juxia of the Shara Murin River Valley. This creature is considered one of the oldest and tallest relatives of modern rhinoceroses. It was the smaller but faster-running ancestor of the Indracotheres, the giant rhinos, which were the largest land mammals to ever live. In appearance, it resembled a giant horse or short-necked giraffe. This animal belongs to the Rhinocerosautoidea superfamily. Juxia was not a direct modern rhino, but rather an early and agile representative of their evolutionary path. Juxia was an ancient member of the hornless rhinoceroses and stood out from other mammals of its time due to its unique body structure. Its long legs and tall body allowed it to move swiftly and comfortably across vast territories. Its most striking feature was its long neck, providing a distinct advantage for feeding on the leaves of tall trees. According to scientists' estimates, its actual dimensions were shoulder height approximately 2 to 2.5 meters, body length approximately 3 to 4 meters, weight around 1.5 to 2 tons. This creature is considered a direct ancestor of the massive Indracotheres, which appeared millions of years later, weighing 15 to 20 tons and reaching heights of 5 meters. With these characteristics, Juxia is a vital link in the evolutionary history of the largest land mammals. The Eocene epoch in which Juxia lived was warmer and more humid compared to modern times. Forests covered vast areas and plant diversity was exceptionally rich. It primarily fed on leaves, soft branches, and young tree shoots. Its long neck gave it a competitive edge in foraging. Such a large creature could not exist without impacting its environment. Juxia indirectly influenced the formation of forest structures, the dispersal of plants, and the habitat boundaries of other animals. It was one of the silent architects of the Eocene. Why did it go extinct? Scientists believe the main reasons were the gradual cooling of the climate, the shrinking of forests, and changes in vegetation. As the world changed, its family grew into even more massive forms, and early species like Juxia gave way to these new generations. Our knowledge of Juxia is primarily based on fossil remains, skull and jaw fragments, teeth, and limb bones. Even these fragments are enough to prove how powerful a creature it was for its time. The story of Juxia Shara murinensis reminds us of nature's deepest law. In the face of time, being a giant is not a privilege, but merely a stage. To survive, being the strongest or the largest is not enough. True strength lies in the ability to adapt to a changing world. This agile creature that once paved the way for giants across the endless plains of Asia now lives only in the silence of petrified bones. Yet those bones still whisper to us the same truth. The world changes, and we exist only as long as we remain a part of that change. Thank you for watching.